Hi everybody and welcome back to the Kraut+Redneck channel. Today I want to show you how to spatchcock a chicken, a turkey or any other bird. Here's a list of the things you need. As usual, you find the same list below and of course on the Kraut+Redneck website. My name is Holger Holgersen and I'm the Kraut in Kraut+Redneck. If you have never spatchcocked a chicken, it's about time you learn it. Spatchcocked chicken will change the way you grill chicken forever. A spatchcocked chicken cooks extremely evenly. You will have moist breast meat and very succulent legs and thighs. All you need is a regular pair of household scissors and a sharp knife. Put the chicken breast side down and locate the backbone. If your chicken still has the neck, it's extremely easy to see where the backbone runs. All you have to do is to make two cuts with the scissors, one on the right side of the backbone and the other one on the left side. It may seem hard to cut through a chicken with a pair of household scissors, but it actually is not. All you need is a firm grip and the right spot to cut. If the scissors don't go through easy, just adjust a little bit the position where you're cutting. See, it just pops through. Everybody here at Kraut+Redneck believes in head to toe. This means we're extremely thankful for the animal and we're trying to use every part as good as we can. The backbone is a wonderful thing to use to make chicken stock. Homemade chicken stock is extremely yummy and very healthy. We will have a little video to show you how to make it because it's super easy. I always trim off some excess skin or fat in order to have a nice bird for the grill. Look how beautiful this little bird is now. And we have some more skin to trim. All that is left to do now is to make one more cut with our kitchen knife. We have to find that little spot where the cartilage covers up the breastbone. Take your kitchen knife and make about a 1/4 inch cut through the cartilage. When you bend the chicken now, the breastbone will just pop out and you can lay the chicken flat. This is how you spatchcock a chicken. Easy, isn't it? We really hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed cooking for you guys. Feel free to ask questions in the comment box below. We also like some love from you guys, so like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to check out the Kraut+Redneck website. We're extremely passionate about what we're doing. There's a whole bunch of other information to the dish and also stories and anecdotes how we found it. We sincerely hope to see you again soon. Here's a big howl from the soup hound of Kraut+Redneck.
Ich hab 'n Jesus aus buntem Pappmaché. Der hängt total vergilbt in meinem LKW. Die toten Fliegen zerdrückt in einem Glas. Mancher findet's krankhaft, doch mir macht's einfach Spaß. Ich spioniere vom Keller bis zum Dach. Kenn die Intrigen, das ganze Rattenpack. Ich hab gesoffen, gehurt und randaliert. Hab jede Droge bis zum Exzess probiert.